So now let's see how we can work around with local equalization option inside of Corel Draw. So over here you can see that I have this image, and if you want to go ahead and apply the local equalization effect to it, you need to go around under the effects menu, then go around onto contour right here. So once you go ahead and do that, simply choose local equalization, and then this is the effect that you get, as you can see right here. So it takes the bright objects, as you can see right here, turns it dark, and then it takes the dark objects and turns it bright right here to create a balance. You can go ahead and change around the width right here and height, as you can see right here, to get a bit of different effect right here, just like this. So this turns like an SDR image, as you can see right here. So this is without. You can see that the bright areas are bright, the dark areas are dark. But as I enable this particular effect, you can actually see that the dark areas becomes brighter and the bright areas become darker, giving an SDR effect. You can go ahead and decrease and increase out the effect level right here to get to the sweet spot that you want right here. So let me just go right around onto the end right here, just like this, and this is the effect that you get, as you can see. So right now the width and height are actually linked out together. So if I were to go ahead and unlink it, I can go ahead and change out the width right here, just like this, and then you can see that this is the width right here. You can also go ahead and change around the height right here, just like this as well. And this is how you can go ahead and work around with the local equalization option inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.